Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Pandit and I am Mrs. Pandit. So today we are going to be watching 1 Year of Beagle trailer and we have Talapati Vijay sir. This video has got created by KSK Edits and Mashup and I am very much excited really because Talapati Vijay sir is there in this video and we all know that Beagle movie is a super duper success. It is a super duper movie and all of the scenes, all of the executions of the whole movie is like brilliant and like nothing to say more and more on Beagle movie. People already know and this is a great success of Talapati Vijay sir's life, his career and his talent, you can say. I am very much eager to see this video and let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So चलो शुरू करते हैं.
போராட்டம் நினைச்சாலே ஈர கொலையில நடுங்கணும். யாரா மைக்கில குமர மைக்கில என்ன பேரு ரவுடியா ராயப்பனோட ஆட்டத்தை தானே நீ பார்த்துருக்க. மைக்கேல் ராயப்பனோட ஆட்டத்தை நீ பார்த்துருக்க. சும்மா ஆட்ல புரியலனா அப்போ ஃபைட் தான். ராயப்பன்
Weapon.
உங்க பழி வாங்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். யார் உங்க பையனை அட்டாக் ராயப்பனுக்கு வயசாயிடுச்சு. கூப்பிட்டு சொன்னா கேட்டு பண்ணுச்சு. எல்லாத்தையும் முடிச்சிருக்கேன். நெஞ்சல கப்பு இருக்கு. மாப்பிள்ள வந்தாச்சா?
ஆமா கப்பு அதே ரேஞ்சுக்கு
அச்சு தோண்டக்குள்ள பாட்டு முடிச்சுடுங்க. அந்த 96 நம்ம வாழ்க்கையை நம்ம எவன் இப்போ போவான்னு நீ ஜெயிச்ச உடனே மொட்டைக்கு கிடைக்கிற அத்தனை பொண்ணுங்களும் ஜெயிச்ச மாதிரி வெளியே வாங்க. இந்த உலகத்துக்கு நீ யாரும் இன்னொரு தடவை திறமைக்கும் தன்னம்பிக்கைக்கும் முகம் தேவை. முதுகுக்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கிற ஒரு பேருக்காக இல்ல, நெஞ்சில் இருக்கிற ஊருக்காக. இல்லைன்னு ஒருத்தன் வரும்போது தான் அந்த ஆட்டமே சூடு முடியுதுல்ல. முக்கியம் பிகில முக்கியம்.
This is why this Beagle movie is a super hit. Okay, this is the reason. You have everything in front of your eyes. This movie is having everything: women empowerment, the black money business, okay, the corruption, every single thing, the love between father and son, everything, okay, the fight, अन्याय के अगेंस्ट में न्याय का जीत वो भी है. Each and everything are like brilliant thing, and this all are very much needed in current society. Okay, each of every topic whichever they are in this movie. So that is why I think Talapati Vijay sir is an icon who always does this kind of movie which having a lot of social issues related thing. Okay, and also his movies are always giving the solution also, not only stating the issues but also giving the solution, like in this way also you can do the solution. And he is a phenomenal actor. His acting, his everything, like appearances, everything make a positive ambience, okay, in front of your eyes, and you are like, okay, I have to see this movie. You cannot take off your eyes. So I think Talapati Vijay sir has that capability of giving spreading love towards everyone, that by his acting, by stating the social issues, by telling which is right, which is wrong, every single thing. So it is a very positive, whenever I see Talapati Vijay sir's acting, every kind of video, any video, whether it is theory, whether it is Bigil or Marcel, any kind of any sort of video, every time I'm thinking, okay, this video is having this kind of thing which is very much needed for the society. Okay, that's great. So it was like I am feeling myself is very honored, like I am giving reaction on this kind of high level wala videos which are always good for the society and people can learn. Okay, this is very important. Like some of the movies are there in the market where you just see, okay, the movie, you just see the action, the stylish appearance of the hero, and you are like, okay, the movie is over and you forget everything. But this kind of movie you cannot forget. You are having the whole circumstances in your head, and after coming back to your home, after seeing the movie in the hall or anywhere, after coming back to your home, your mind will be like keep on telling with you that yes, I have seen today a masterpiece and I have learned something from this movie. So that is very important. They have, like Atli sir bolo ya fir Talapati Vijay sir, they have I think discussed like we have to showcase this thing and that thing to the audience, and we can do betterment for that. So this is not just a movie, okay, this is a feeling. This kind of movies are feeling. Okay, you can feel it, you can feel what Talapati Vijay sir is like feeling from inside, what Talapati Vijay sir is doing, and how this all of the people are behaving, how the impact of the society will be coming from that perspective. So you definitely can feel it. Okay, so this is a emotion, I think. Okay, this kind of movies, big movies like this movie, Bigil movie. Okay, I am extremely proud of that thing, and Talapati Vijay sir is a rocking actor. He is super brilliant and he's super talented. So I will not tell again and again that yeah, Talapati Vijay sir's acting ye hai wo hai. We all know that he is a super versatile actor and nothing can beat him. Okay, nobody I think can beat him, irrespective of his acting or his acting skill or this kind of content wise also. I can definitely tell my perspective. If you are asking me that what is important for you, for me it is very much important that which topic you are covering in your movie. Okay, that is very much important. Some persons are there who is very talented actors, but whatever movie they are doing, this movie doesn't have any story in it or doesn't have any impact to the society. That kind of movie I never gonna watch. But the kind of movie which is having a lot of thing in it, okay, lot of thing to discuss, and very good and betterment for the society, a lot of hidden truth are there inside this movie content, I am gonna definitely watch that movie. And where Talapati Vijay sir kind of actors are there in that movie are having its own level. Okay, so yeah, that is what actually all of the scenes are very well executed, and all of the scenes are very well put together, and KSK Edits has done a brilliant job on that, and I'm supremely proud for this. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Rizwan Khan, and he's commenting on haunted reaction from Round to Hell, and he's commenting, hi sister, please react Nakkalites back to school chemistry period, please. Yes, that is going to come on Mr. and Mrs. Pandit 2.0, because all of the Nakkalite series are there in that channel, and very soon that is going to come, probably today or tomorrow. Okay, that is going to come. Okay, I am eager also to complete the whole episodes. All of the episodes are brilliantly done. So I think we have done 5 episodes, like back to back 5 episodes, and chemistry periods are there. Okay, it's remaining. So definitely I'll be doing, and thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. First comment for today's video is from Murali Krishnan, and he's commenting on reaction on Bigil Angel wedding scene reaction, and he's commenting, if possible you making that kind of reaction videos before you can get full movie review in YouTube, or else watch full movie. Finally, I'm big fan of your YouTube page. Thanks. Thank you so much, Murli. Actually what happened, no, that time we didn't watch Bigil movie, and we were not clear that much on the movie, and that was our instant reaction. And we thought, okay, before giving the reaction, if we see each and every videos on YouTube or any other social media, that won't be the real reaction or the instant reaction of any reactors. Okay, people tends to do that they have watched the movie several times, and after that they are giving. Even we also give the review, that is called review, not reaction. So that is why we that time we didn't watch that movie, and we gave our true reaction. That time whatever we thought, we just gave on camera. But yes, now we have a clear picture in our head that yeah, this movie is this and that. Every scenarios are very clear to our head. So yeah, I think you can understand now, and thank you so much for your comment and for watching. So the third comment for today's video is from Vinny Chaudhary, and he's commenting on haunted reaction from Round to Hell, and he's commenting, please react to Baby Touch Me Now from movie V. Okay, so is this a song? And to be very frank, I have not heard about this movie. Is this the movie name V? Okay, so we have to search that, and definitely we'll be doing. Okay, so if you have any link, you can definitely kindly share that link with us, and we'll be doing. Okay, so thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.